Hi guys, it's Dream and today I'm going to show you how to use Funimate presets to make your editing easier. So, I have imported my picture here and you can see it doesn't have any keyframes or anything like that. Now, if I want to import one of my presets, I can go into keyframe and my presets and directly import my keyframes from here. For example, this, and click OK and import. Now that I've imported my own presets, I can fully customize them, such as the expand, just like this, or I can make the scale go from small to big, just like this. So it's fully customizable. You have full control of your presets and you can always change them. Now, you can also use presets to create QR codes of them and share with your friends. So for example, I'm in the keyframes of my picture and I'm gonna click the three dots at the bottom and you have this option named a preset from QR code. Now, if you tap that, you're gonna be met up with your phone gallery and you can open one of your presets. So I saved my presets here. So I'm gonna do, for example, shakes, waiting for it to import, and you can see it has just imported. Now I have a full-on shake just by importing the QR code. So I can also do this with my expanding. And you can see it has imported the keyframes that are fully customizable. Remember, you can always customize your presets. Now, to save your own QR code presets, all you're gonna do is tap My Presets, where you have saved all of your presets. And for example, I have my old expand one. You're just gonna drag it to the left and you're gonna have the option create QR code. Now, if I tap that, it's gonna load and you have the option to name it. I'm gonna say expand, just like this, and you're gonna save it. Now, if I go back and delete my other keyframes, one moment, and go back to my presets from QR code, you can see I have it in my phone gallery. Now, if I open this, it's gonna give me the same exact effect. So that's all for today. Using presets is gonna help you a lot, and it's a very fun way to share your effects with your friends and to move around Funimate quickly, because it helps you to not create and recreate the same thing all over again.